morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to start a new lesson, fractions. Chapter 9, fractions. Okay, what is it for fraction? Last year also we have studied about fractions, right? Okay, today we will start with some fractions. What is like fraction, unlike fraction, what is numerator, denominator, everything. Okay? Okay, fraction is a part of a whole. What is that fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. For example, see one circle. Maybe it is a pizza. Consider this as a pizza. This pizza is divided into 4 parts. Okay, 4 equal parts. Okay, part of a whole means it is equally divided. Okay, 4 equal parts. It's a small pizza, right? A small pizza coming in 4 pieces only, right? Okay, medium pizza have how many pieces? 6, right? Large pizza, 8 pieces, right? Okay. But pizza is not a healthy food, right? It is a junk food. Okay. Here, out of these 4 parts, equal parts, okay, I had only 1 piece of this pizza. I got only 1 piece out of this pizza. So, how will I write? Total number of pieces is 4. Out of 4, I got only 1 part. I will write like this, right? Okay. Out of 4 parts. So, total number of parts should be written down. Okay. And how many parts I got? 1. That I have to write in the top. Okay. Here, it is a chocolate. Okay. This chocolate, how many pieces it have? 6. Count the number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where you have to write the 6? Here. Okay. This is called fraction bar. Fraction bar. So, total number of pieces you have to parts. You have to write here. Okay. How many pieces of chocolate I got? 2. So, you have to write 2 in the above the fractional bar. Okay, do you understand? Okay, what is this is called? This one is called numerator. This is called numerator. Okay, what is this one is called? 4. This is called denominator. So, the number above the fraction bar is called numerator. The number below the fraction bar is called denominator. D, down denominator. D. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Then you will not forget. D. Denominator, down part. Okay. Then numerator you will remember. Okay. Now, we will see what is, now we have seen what is numerator, denominator. Like, right? We will see what is like fractions. Okay. Now we will see how to denote the fractions. Okay, here this is divided into 2 parts. One is shaded. So how to tell this one? This is half, right? How to denote this one? This is half. Okay. Here this bar is divided into 3 parts and one is shaded. How will you call this one? 1/3. If 2 parts are shaded means this is called 2/3. Okay. If this is divided into 4 parts, then how will you tell this one? 1/4. If it is shaded with 2, then 2/4. You got it? How to denote these fractions? Okay, now let us see what is like fractions. Now let us see about what is like fractions and what is unlike fractions. What is like fractions? The fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. For example, see 1/6, 2/6, 4/6. All denominators are same. So if the all denominators are same, this is called like fractions. Okay, then what is unlike fraction? Unlike fractions are the fractions which all the denominators are different. If the denominators are different, that is called unlike fractions. Okay, I will explain you with one chapati. Okay, see this chapati I am cutting into two pieces. Okay, these I see two pieces are there. How will you denote this one? 1 out of 2 parts, right? 1 by 2. This chapati is 1 by 2. This chapati is 1 by 2 or half. Okay, then I will cut this chapati into 4 pieces. See, 4 pieces I got. So how will you, if I am eating these 2 chapatis, these 2 parts, then how will I write? 2 by 4. Okay, out of 4 parts, I got 2 parts. Do you understand, children? Okay, now I will cut another chapati into 6 pieces. Can you see the cutting? Okay, I cut this chapati into 6 pieces. Okay, see this chapati, it got 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is 1 by 4, right? This is 1 by 6. Okay, these two are not equal, right? These two are unlike fractions. This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 6. So these two denominators are different, right? This chapati I cut into 4 parts. This one 6 parts. Okay, these two are unlike fractions. Do you understand now what is like fraction and unlike fraction? Okay. Now we are going to see another new topic, equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? The fraction if the numerator and the denominator are multiplied or divided with the same whole number, not with 0. Okay, it is called its equivalent fractions. So what is that equivalent fraction? If the numerator and the denominator are multiplied with the same number or divided with the same number, we get equivalent fractions. Okay, for example, see the same chocolate. Consider this as a chocolate. Okay, same 3 chocolates I got. Okay, same size. I have divided this into 2 parts. So one is shaded, right? 1 by 2. How will you denote this? 1 by 2. Here I have divided this same chocolate into 4 parts. I am shading this 2 parts. Okay, this is how will you denote this one? Write this one. 2 out of 4. Okay, 2 by 4. Okay, again another third chocolate I am dividing into 6 parts. Okay, I got these 3 parts for me. Okay, how will I write this one? 3 by 6. Okay, this is equal. This is 1 by 2. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 6. But see the picture. Totally half, half, half. Okay, all are equivalent, right? All are equivalent fractions. Okay, how to find the equivalent fractions? See here, 1 by 2 is here. If you are multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number, you will get the equivalent fractions, right? Okay, here 1 by 2, I am multiplying with 2 by 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You got it, children? So here 2 by 4 into 2 by 2. We are multiplying the number with the same numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So here 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 8 by 16, all are called equivalent fractions. You got it, children, now? If the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number, not 0, then it is called the equivalent fraction of that given number. Okay? Okay, we will see 1 by 3, another example also. Okay, 1 by 3. Okay, we will see another example also. 1 by 3, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, right? So, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. So, here with the answer we have multiplied, right? We can do in another way also. See, 1 by 3 into 3 by 3. What you will get? 1 by 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 threes are 9. Here, again 1 by 3 into 4 by 4. How will you get? 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So, here what are all the equivalent fractions? 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12, all are called equivalent fractions. Now you understand what is equivalent fraction? Okay, children, we will move to next topic. Thank you.